Hi friends, today we shall take up on the topic geography and its major branches. Branches of geography. The study of geography of the world has grown along with human evolutions and revolutions. Life becomes easy when there is an understanding of geography. Today it is a very vast subject involving the scientific informations derived from other subjects like geology, biology, anthropology, economics, physics, sociology, demography, and environmental sciences. The major branches of geography: physical geography, geomorphology, human geography, urban geography, economic geography, political pollution, population geography, political geography, biogeography, cultural geography, hazards geography, agricultural geography, transportation geography, tourism geography, environmental geography, oceanography, climatology, cartography, settlement geography, social geography, industrial geography, paleogeography, geographical thought, medical geography, military geography, geographic information system called GIS, geography of mountains, geography of water resources, geography of deserts. Knowledge of geography is needed for environmental planning and for all development studies. It is one subject which deals with all spheres of the planet Earth. Geography is a major subject developed as a consequence of human beings' immediate need for functioning in the physical world around them. There was a need to familiarize with the surrounding environment of people, with seas, with lakes, with rivers, with forests, with soils, with mineral resources, with climatic conditions, and many more aspects. Any basic understanding of geography always starts with the study of physical geography. Physical geography focuses on the Earth in the solar system, the Earth physical system like atmosphere, biosphere, and geospheres, landforms and processes, working on various ecosystems, their relationship with one another. It is an integrated study of the Earth's visible natural environment and understanding the characteristics of land, water, and climate. Geomorphology is the study Geomorphology is the scientific study of the Earth's surface features, landforms of various origin, forces, distributions, and processes that are acting on these landscapes, movement of continents and plate tectonics. The dynamic aspects of various natural processes on Earth are studied under geomorphology. Geomorphology seeks to understand the history of landforms and predict the future changes based on field investigations and analyze their quantitative characteristics. In geomorphology, it emphasizes the study of exogenous and endogenous processes shaping the surface features of the Earth and the role of geomorphic cycle. Human geography concentrates on the pattern of human settlements, human activities, and their relations with the environment. Emphasis is given to the study of areal differentiation, regional synthesis, dichotomy, dualism, and environmentalism. It also deals with the locational analysis, radical, behavioral, human and welfare approaches, languages, religions, and secularization. This is the subject concerning with most of the factors of human development index. Coming to urban geography deals with the location and extent of cities, towns, and municipalities and their patterns. The geographic importance of a location in the development of cities is the prime focus of the subject. Origin and growth of cities, their communities, including slums, urban morphology, are studied in urban geography. Analyzing the problems and remedies of urbanization and sustainable development of cities also come under this subject. Economic geography deals with the primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary sectors of the economy, availability and distribution of natural resources, productivity, and their role in industrial development. This subject focuses on the role of geographic elements in the growth of economy of a region and the world. It also deals with the energy crisis, food and nutrition, problems and patterns of world trade. Population geography is the study of origin, growth, and distribution of population and the reasons for changes occurring in those patterns. It also focuses on the birth and death rate, spatial population of family and communities, migration of population, demographic transition, and population resource regions. The population theories where population problems and policies are studied under population geography. People are spread all over the globe. Politics has become a part of human life. It becomes more serious when sea and land frontiers are invaded by others. So political geography comes out and deals with geopolitics, global strategic and views and trends, concept of a state, nation and nation states, boundaries and frontiers, political instability and patterns of voting. It also emphasizes the study of the ways people in different places makes decision or gain or use power within a political system. Federalism and politics of war resources are also studied under this political geography. The world we live in has diversified species of plants and animals. Biogeography is yet another branch of geography dealing with the study of physical factors influencing the world distribution of plants and animals, forms and functions of ecosystems like forests, grassland, plains, and mountains. Biodiversity and its depletions through natural and man-made causes, conservation and management of ecosystems, and the migration of animals over the regions and different climatic zones are all the topics studied under this biogeography. Culture. Culture, heritage, architecture, and civilizations have grown together over several centuries under this context. The subjects cultural geography got evolved. Cultural geography examines the location and extent of beliefs, customs, and other cultural traits. Geographic distributions of cultural practices are studied in this subject. Emphasis is also given to the study of cultural regions and areas, theories of human races, tribal groups, dwelling places, and cultural expressions. Topics like religious and ethnic diversities, religious minorities, and cultural convergence are also studied under this cultural geography. Coming to hazard geography, art is a dynamic planet. Natural hazards are happening every few minutes. Disasters are dangerous to all life. It is under these issues the subjects called hazard geography got evolved. Hazard geography is a modern branch of geography mainly dealing with natural and man-made hazards, locations of disasters, impacts and disaster management initiatives. These subjects also includes the topics like landslides, earthquakes, tsunamis, floods and droughts, and epidemics. Hazards geography concentrates on various ecological issues and remedies, zonation mapping and mitigation methods. Coming to agricultural geography, many human civilizations were started with agriculture, hunting, fisheries, and animal rearing. Agricultural geography is a very basic branch of geography. It deals with the concept and techniques of delimitation of agricultural regions, measurement of agricultural productivity and efficiency, topics like crop combinations and diversification and Agricultural systems of the world are also studied. Land capability analysis, agroforestry, social forestry, dry farming, aquaculture, sericulture, apiculture, livestock resources, and poultry are the notable aspects coming under agricultural geography. Migration and movement have become the most inevitable aspects of life, materials, and commodities. Travel and transportation are the two basic aspects helping this mobility. A variety of transport systems have been developed over several centuries. They are all linked with geography mainly. Due to these linkages, the subject transportation geography got evolved as a modern branch. The transportation geography deals with the history of transport modes and needs of transport system, networks and models of transportation, cost of transport and accessibility and connectivity. It also includes the study of inter-regions and intra-regional transport, function of transport terminals, commodity chain and freight transportation. Transportation in urban forms. Emphasis is also given to transport planning and policy, traffic counts and surveys, transport safety and security. Environment is the total set of circumstances surrounding any life. Geography is the location and pattern of distribution of living things on Earth. Hence, environmental geography deals with the spatial distribution of various ecosystems, habitat, plants, animals, and human life. Man-made changes and developments are many. They have profound effects on the environment. Hence, environmental geography includes the study of location and the impact of industries, urbanization, and deforestation of human settlements, pollution, and environmental issues of municipal or industrial and agricultural waste, soil and coastal erosion are also studied under this branch. Emphasis is given to analyze the relationship between people and nature in environmental geography. Coming to oceanography. Oceanography is the study of distribution, characteristics, and global impacts of oceans and seas. It covers a wide range of topics, including marine organisms and their life, dynamics of oceanic systems, origin and distribution of ocean currents, waves and tides, distribution of light, temperature, salinity, and density in oceanic waters, ocean floor sediments, and relief features and natural resources of oceans. Human impacts on oceans like thermal and marine pollution, dredging and marine operations like drilling and destroyer of coral reefs are all the aspects studied under oceanography. It is a very vast subject and important for studying global climatic conditions today. Climatology is the study of atmospheric conditions, global climate, and the weather conditions average over a longer period of time. Topics like ice insolation, heat budget of the Earth, atmospheric pressure, its distribution, and circulation of winds, monsoons and jet streams, stability and instability of the atmosphere, air masses, air fronts, cyclones, and patterns of rainfall distribution are studied under climatology. Classification of world climates is an essential aspect of climatology. Global warming and climatic changes are the modern developments. Climatology also deals with various meteorological equipment and measurements used for climatological assessments of atmospheric systems. Ancient human civilizations have adopted crude drawings and illustration to represent their spatial understandings of treasures, locations of importance, and routes of transportation. Drawing and using of maps were started several centuries before. Cartography is the art and science of map makings. It deals with the global coordinate system, projections, choroplate, isoplate, and chorochromatic maps. pie diagrams, accessibility and flow maps, locations, symbols, attributes, and feature codes on maps, data representation, digitization, and reproduction of maps, and the preparation of toposheets, topographic surveys, and drawing maps are part of this subject called cartography. The history of life mostly deal with human civilization, settlements and locations of employment, marketing, products and entertainment. Settlement geography deals with the site situation, type, size, spacing and internal morphology of rural and urban settlements, city regions, primate city, ring size rule, settlement hierarchy, theories of market centers and preferred destinations. Social geography examines the relationships of groups of people with one another. It emphasizes on how these social relationships affect the places where people live, work, and entertain each other. Ethnicity, tribe, dialect, language, caste, systems, religion, and concept of social well-being are also studied under the social geography. Increase in human population invited industrial revolution. Exploration of minerals, oil, coal, and biological resources have contributed to industrial development. Industrial geography deals with the growth, development, and geographic distribution of industries, classification of industries, geographic conditions of natural resources, and availability of raw materials. It also includes the location of industries and development of spatial economic zones at different places. Geography plays a significant role in the growth of industries. Coming to paleogeography. Paleogeography is the study of the distribution of ancient life continents through various geological periods as evidenced from their fossil records. It also focuses on the stratigraphic sequences, position and movement of plates and continents. The evolution of life on Earth was derived from the geographical correlation of these fossil records. The geological strata found in various depositional environments of continents are studied under paleogeography. The study of geographic thoughts deals with the general character of geographic knowledge during the ancient and medieval period, foundations and development of modern geography, determinism and possibilism, aerial differentiation and spatial organization. The study of era of exploration, expeditions, navigations and human thinking in terms of geospatial aspects are all analyzed in this subject called geographic thought. In addition to the above, there are some more branches of geography. They are geography of mountains, geography of water resources, geography of deserts, military geography, medical geography, tourism geography, cryosphere geography, geographic information system. Thank you and have a nice day.